hybrid fund. SBI Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan Growth, 4-star rating, NAV net asset value 221.0235 rupees. Fund key highlights: the current net asset value of the SBI Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan as of 3 November 2021 is rupees 221.0235 for growth option of its direct plan. Its trailing return over different time periods are 45.01% first year, 20.49% 3 years, 14.58% 5 years, then 16.57% since launch. Various category: the SBI Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management worth of rupees 47,469.96 crore as on September 30, 2021. Net worth rupees 47,469.96 crore. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.9% for direct plan as on September 30, 2021. SBI Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan shall attract an exit load for units in excess of 10% of the investment. 1% will be charged for redemption within 365 days. Minimum investment required is rupees 1000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 500. SIP means systematic investment plan. SWP means systematic withdrawal plan. Okay. Things you should consider: riskometer, annualized return for the last 3 years 19.25%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range: 1 month high low 219.609 227.583, 52-week low high 158.958 227.583. Asset allocation: investment growth, SIP, lump sum. Asset equity 73.79, debt 21.94, others 4.28. Enter investment amount 1000, 500, 5000. SBI Equity Hybrid Fund. Current versus allocation: equity, debt, others. Equity 65%, 73.79%, 80%. Debt 20%, 21.94%, 35%. Others 4.28%, 20%, 35%. SBI Equity Hybrid Fund. Top peer comparison: SBI Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan Growth, first year return 44.78%, 3-year return 19.25%. Quant Absolute Fund Direct Growth 68.57%, 30%. 0.00%. Miri Asset Hybrid Equity Fund Direct Growth 44.46%, 19.80%. Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Growth 40.54%, 20.71%. Top 5 peer comparison. Fund about SBI Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan is open-ended aggressive hybrid scheme which belonged to SBI Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on 1st Jan 2013. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that the scheme seeks to provide investors long-term capital appreciation along with the liquidity of an open-ended scheme by investing in a mix of debt and equity. The scheme will invest in a diversified portfolio of equities of high growth companies and balance the risk through investing the rest in fixed income securities. It is benchmarked against CRISIL Hybrid 35 plus 65 Aggressive Index. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. Tax implications. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. The asset allocation of the fund comprises around 73.79% in equity, equities 21.94%, debt and 4.28% in cash and cash equivalent. Tax implications. Hybrid fund which usually invest 65% or more in equity and equity related instruments will be taxed like equity funds, and those which invest less than 65% in equity and equity related instruments will be taxed like debt funds. Okay. So guys, इस फंड को आपको बाय करना है SBI इक्विटी हाइब्रिड फंड। 4 स्टार रेटिंग है इसकी। SBI इक्विटी हाइब्रिड फंड डायरेक्ट प्लान ग्रोथ 4 स्टार रेटिंग। NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 221.0235 ओके। सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।